Hello students, it is my pleasure to invite you to the massive open online course on sericulture technology. This is online course where interactive session as part of the program. The course is based on choice-based credit system of UGC. This is for 2 credits with 20 lessons. This course is intended for students and entrepreneurs. The public who are interested in knowing sericulture technology can also take the course. The technology of rearing silkworm to obtain natural silk is called sericulture technology. Silk is a natural protein fiber secreted by certain groups of caterpillars from silk glands for construction of cocoon to cover their pupal stage. The caterpillars of family Bombycidae and Saturnidae are major silk producing insects. Commercial silk is from mulberry silkworm, Bombyx mori meridionalis. The other lesser important silkworms are Erie, Tessar, and Mica silkworms. Sericulture technology was discovered as early as 2687 BC in China. Later, after 2000 years, the technology was known to other countries like Japan, Korea, Asian countries including India. India is major producer of commercial silk varieties. Asia contributing to 95% of the world's total silk production. In India, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Bihar, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Assam, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir are the major states engaged in commercial silk production. Depending upon the number of generations, that is life cycle per year, the mulberry silkworms are grouped as univoltine, bivoltine, and multivoltine with 1, 2, or many generations respectively. The major areas studied in this discipline of sericulture technology includes mulberry plant cultivation to produce mulberry leaves to be given as a feeding in the silkworm larvae. Rearing of silkworm larvae to get healthy disease-free cocoons. The post-cocoon technology that includes processing of cocoon for weaving. In this course, we are going to have an overall view about the discipline sericulture technology. This course is so presented in 5 subdivisions. The first subdivision deals about knowing mulberry cultivation, irrigation, nutrient, pest and disease management practices so that to get healthy, greenish and succulent mulberry leaves. The second subdivision is knowing about biology and life cycle stages of silkworm development and silk producing glands and the process of secretion of silk. Third subdivision is about silkworm rearing methods and of various larval stages in sanitary condition by following proper disinfection methods. The fourth subdivision deals about allowing full-grown larvae on structures called cocoonages for construction of cocoons and harvesting healthy cocoons. The fifth and final subdivision is knowing about post-cocoon process, which includes stifling process that kills the cocoons, preventing emergence of adult moths from pupae inside. Reeling, dyeing, twisting process to get final fine silk threads ready to be sent to weaving. The overall aim of the course is to get entrepreneurs training on silkworm rearing technology, thereby to get sustainable income by starting small-scale sericulture units and mulberry cultivation. This improves rural economy and gives employment opportunity to men and women folk of the villages. On the whole, the MOOS program will provide you holistic idea about sericulture technology and its methods. The course is designed in such a way that you can have the access to go through e-book, objectives, summary, glossary, case study, tutorial, frequently asked questions, transcription of video, lectures, and assessment. Being a student, you can discuss with the subject experts for further clarification. To test your understanding, there will be final assessment paper in the form of question bank, subjective or objective, at the end of the program. After the successful completion of the course and taking up the assessment, the certificates will be provided by host institution for the eligible candidates. Hope this course will be very useful to all students and farming community. Okay, students, we will meet again in the MOOCE program on sericulture technology in coming weeks. All the best.